So let's take a look at one of the blanks made with the 1910 Work Magazine formula. It has a nice light color. It's like a cream color. And the form, the inside. So this is the 1910 Work Magazine blank. And then I think this is what we will be making our blanks out of from now on. It seems to be a very nice formula. Makes a very nice looking blank as well as a very good sounding blank. The difference is that we use Saracen for temper instead of paraffin. And but everything else being the same, it has 0.41% aluminum in the formula, which is about the normal amount in brown wax cylinders of the 1890s. The temper is around 13%, so making it very much an original brown wax formula. The weird part is that it's made at much lower temperatures to saponify and make the wax. So you notice it has a nice shiny luster. It's very important that your blank be shiny and not matte or foggy. And it is nice and humid. It's August, so if there was any defects, they would have already shown up usually within a couple of days of making these. I've had these out for over a week, and so that's good. I don't see any fogging or problems like that. So that's some very good signs. You don't want any bluish white fog on the blanks.